In the aftermath of Hurricane Helene, Joe Biden's insensitive dismissal of survivors' testimonies as lies highlights a concerning lack of empathy and leadership. Unlike past leaders such as Teddy Roosevelt, who would personally investigate such claims, Biden's response is viewed as weak and influenced by global forces. Federal resources are now directed towards persecuting rescuers, unjustly branding them as domestic terrorists, further deepening the tragedy in the heartland. The recent revision to DoD Directive 5240.01 allowing the use of lethal force in domestic operations has sparked fears about the military's increased role in potential civil unrest, signaling a troubling escalation resembling a more intense version of J6.